What's up, guys? We are back with the $1 million business, or the road to the $1 million business, creating the AI trade partner install and taking it. All right, guys, we're back. We are taking AI trade partner to $1 million, and we are on day 3. We're going to start with what we always do, the goal statement. By November 15th, 2025, I will ship a complete end-to-end mock client install package. This is going to include a range of things that proves I can deliver the AI trade partner install independently. This is going to be measured by a working demo that passes a day 14 rubric. We're on day 3 with a score of 2 or greater. I'm trying to get 3 out of 3 on each one, under a 7-day delivery cycle with less than 2 hours of work per day. With that being said, we are on day 3. Teach it back. Today we are talking about building a free checkout. We're building the back end for actually intaking and getting people to buy this stuff. So we built on Gumroad here. This is the actual takeout. I haven't listed it yet, but basically installed the whole entire front end, put the price there, and put a little box with a little guarantee. So that's out there. Once you get in, I have a congrats you're in portion, next steps. I have a client intake form, personal details, trading information. What's your biggest frustration in trading? Basically built that out. It took me less than 5 minutes, and this is going to be something that you guys can do too. So I'll submit that. Hopefully I get a 3 out of 3 on my rubric, but that's our teach it back today. So go build yourself one on Gumroad.